Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Alan made a request in the comments for Best Buy. Thank you, Alan, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. Best Buy is a S&P 500 company within the specialty retail industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 5.6%. Earnings growth, 21.3%. Earnings estimates, 7.9%. Return on capital, 24.82%. Debt to free cash flow, 1.58 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 3.89%. Payout ratio, 29.74%. Growth rate, 20.36%. Growth years, 8 years. That gives Best Buy 8 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Best Buy is modestly undervalued. What's your thoughts on Best Buy in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.